right, so far we've taken a set of data, we've put it in our calculator, we've found if there's a relationship, and then we've found a model for that data. We've even drawn a picture of what it looks like. The last thing to do is to be able to predict what happens with that model, what can happen in the future. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to predict what will happen with data given a model or an equation of the data. So you'll notice again, there are some specific directions that we'll be following. And if you look down at the example, you'll notice it's the exact same example that I've been using in the other videos. So we'll have all of our information already in the calculator. And then this one says to use the linear model to estimate the speed of the object after 2.5 seconds. You'll notice after 2.5 seconds, that's the t or the L1. So we'll be looking at the list 2, or we'll be looking at what we get for that answer. So let's go over to our calculator now. Here we go. Alrighty, we can go over to, we've got all of our information in there already, so we can go straight to predicting. We're going to go up to table, which is second graph. And actually notice I did it for a previous example, so I had already typed in, we can just type in 2.5 and then just press enter. And then notice it gives us a y1 value and a y2 value. The y1, remember, was our linear model, and the y2 was our quadratic model. And notice again, since our models were very similar, we actually got very close to the same answer. And this one did say to predict using our linear model. So the speed would be 24.65 meters per second. Just as an example, let's say I wanted to know after 3 seconds, I could just type in 3. And again, it gives me those values. So that is how you predict from a model.